I am a candidate for the European Parliament election and for the Swedish People's Party of Finland. And my main objective to this election is an experienced multicultural expert developing immigration policy strategies in Europe. I think we need the expertise of immigrant backgrounds people to develop the immigration policy. I am an independent worker. I have a very good sense of teamwork. I have lobbying skills. I speak different languages. The population of Finland is aging, and we need a lot of workforce, professional workforce. We need high-tech workforce. We also need workforce in the social and health welfare services. And we need to begin to plan for the future about these needs in workforce. So well-educated immigrants are an asset to all companies working within the global marketplace in Finland. We need languages, we need Swedish, we need Russian, we need Arabic, we need African languages. And I believe that if we are able to strategically focus and plan a way to coordinate the employers and the various higher education institutions within Finland, like the universities and polytechnics, we will succeed. And also we need to take in some workforce, labor workforce from outside Finland, and we need to plan for them integration program.
It takes a strong will, dexterity, and determination to achieve positive results. It takes uprightness and truthfulness to build trust. It takes self-confidence, openness to break barriers. Just as it takes intelligence, strength of purpose to convince. These and more are her virtues. 128 is her number, and she is bound to deliver. Eneh, your choice representative for the EU Parliament.